No, take a picture of me. Shut up! Gibbs, and I seem to actually going, they're not even twins, they're not even sisters.
My number one fan right here. So I'm just going to my Gran's, just found a taxi. I'm staying there tonight because I stay there most nights, and yeah, that's where I'm going now. So I'll see you when I get there. So I'm at my Gran's now, and we're not going to be doing much, but I think I already said bye. But I'm staying here, so I'll probably be vlogging a lot more. And don't ask what I done to my eyebrow, I don't know, but yeah. I'm with Trisha. Trisha. My Gran's attempting to do my makeup. I'll show you after. It's right there.
Oh, that's a baby spider.
It's a spider.
Kill it?
No,
That's all.
don't kill it.
I know about that crawl, but
Don't kill it. It's a shame, baby spider. So this is the way my makeup turned out. We made a video on it. That was fun. My Gran's great at doing makeup. I feel ready to go out and party. I done her makeup blindfolded but didn't video that. I should have. But yeah. Well. So I wiped the makeup off and that took a lot of wipes to get that off. And now I'm just sitting watching TV. Going to watch that for a bit, and then I don't know what else we're going to do, but if we do anything interesting I'll vlog it. Yeah, and also I don't know if I mentioned, but we filmed my Gran doing my makeup, so that'll probably be up after this vlog, so maybe before, I don't know, but no, actually it'll be up on Wednesday. Yeah, it'll be up on Wednesday. So look out for that, because it was really funny. Like, really funny. And yeah, just chilling right now, so yeah. So guys, it's currently midnight and I'm really tired now, so I think I'm going to go to bed. But thanks for watching today's vlog, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe, it's totally free. And press the little bell up above or down below, and you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video, and leave your video suggestions down in the comment section below. But I love you guys, so bye.